Your car can do way more than you think, but only if you stop buying useless accessories. Most gadgets are a waste of money. These aren't. We're showing you high-tech upgrades that are practical, smart, and most important, available on Amazon and AliExpress. So watch till the end, because skipping even one of these means missing a serious upgrade. And the fifth gadget on this list will make your car more capable than most on the road. All the mentioned products links are in the description below. Number 30. Keep car alarm. The moment someone approaches your vehicle, it triggers a loud siren and flashes bright red lights. But that's just the start. If anyone tries to get inside, the system instantly records video, uploads it to the cloud, and sends alerts. It takes just a minute. Just place it in your cup holder, twist a couple of times, and it stays securely in place. Once you're always in touch with your car, receiving real-time HD video and photos. Equipped with a 360-degree camera, powerful battery, loud sirens, radar, and infrared sensors, it's a complete protection system for your car. Number 29. HUD Car Display. Drivers are snapping up this mini product because it instantly makes your car smarter. Just plug it into your USB port and a bright digital speed display projects right onto your windshield like a real HUD. It automatically adjusts to sunlight, stays perfectly clear at night, and its GPS plus BDS chip delivers ultra-precise speed readings. Push past the limit and it alerts you before a cop ever can. No wiring, no setup. This is the easiest and cleanest safety upgrade you can add in seconds. Number 28. Valeo XtraVue Trailer System. Having a large trailer behind your car can make driving risky, reducing your visibility and control. The French company Valeo has a smart solution. This system, highly rated by experts and winner of the Automotive News PACE Award. It uses multiple cameras and special software to merge the images into a single view on your cabin screen. The result? It's like the trailer becomes transparent, giving the driver the same view as if it wasn't there at all. Number 27. Car Bench UL300. This system is especially useful for repair technicians who work on car bodies and frames. The model shown has a lifting capacity of about 7,700 pounds and an adjustable height ranging from 4.3 inches to 5.6 feet. According to the manufacturer, it's a mini version made from high alloy steel tubing using advanced European technology. It's convenient enough for a single worker to handle alone, and the included casters, similar to those on supermarket carts, make it easy to move around. Number 26. Keto Smart Car Key. Car keys are starting to feel outdated, and this Keto Smart Key system feels like the future. This small gadget pairs with an app to turn your smartphone into your car key, so the car only starts when your phone is nearby. You can easily share access with friends or family, and even set time limits so you know when the car should be back. If something goes wrong, there's still a manual backup. The app also lets you unlock the doors and trunk, and best of all, setup is simple. It just plugs in through a regular USB port. So far, these have been pretty handy, but the next few are even better, so be with me. Number 25. Lookit Rear Vision System. A sleek wireless camera that lets you check your rear view in seconds. The camera fits right into your license plate frame and runs on a battery that can last up to 4 years. No drilling, no messy wires. Just mount it, sync it, and you're set. A handy quick view button on your steering wheel or dashboard lets you see the feed instantly, and your phone stays put on a magnetic mount. You get a clear, wide-angle view with optional parking lines, and only devices you authorize can access it, keeping everything secure. Number 24. YAKIMA DoubleHaul. This isn't just a rod carrier, it's a must-have for serious fishing enthusiasts. Rain or shine, it keeps your fishing gear safe from the elements. It holds up to 4 fully assembled rods up to 10 feet long, with a dedicated reel compartment designed to protect your reels and prevent damage to rod rings. With reliable YAKIMA SKS locks protecting both your rods and the rack itself, you can hit the water knowing your gear is secure. Number 23. Car Truck Tablet Holder. Truckers are calling this a lifesaver for them. This heavy-duty car tablet holder sticks like a rock with its massive 4.3-inch suction cup that won't budge, even on the roughest roads. Its double rib arm stays rock solid with zero shake, letting you angle your tablet perfectly for maps, movies, or work on the go. It fits any device, iPad, Galaxy, iPhone, or tablet, and works in everything from a Ford F-150 to a big rig, keeping your screen secure and your hands hands on the wheel. Number 22. Mobileye 630 Pro. This product can significantly reduce the risk of accidents by about 60%. It uses advanced camera and object recognition while constantly scans the road ahead for potential hazards and gives critical alerts, including front collision warnings, pedestrian and cyclist detection, lane departure, and traffic monitoring. The system features a windshield camera and a dashboard display with visual and audible warnings. It works day or night in any weather, spotting cars, motorcycles, pedestrians, road signs, and lane markings by giving drivers up to an extra 2 seconds to react. Number 21. Slime Flat Tire Kit. Next up is a clever tire inflator that doubles as a puncture repair tool. It uses a special slime sealant that coats the inside of your tire and fixes punctures up to a 1/4 inch, lasting over 100 miles. Plenty to get you safely to a repair shop. It also works like a normal inflator. Just plug it into your car socket, attach the hose, and start inflating with the push of a button. The integrated digital display shows your tire pressure in real time, and if you overinflate, there's a handy deflate button to fix it. Number 20. TrapTap. This tiny gadget helps you avoid speeding tickets by alerting you to red light cameras, hidden speed traps, and when you're over the limit. Just stick it on your dash with the included pad, and its LED lights glow in 3 colors to warn you. You can snooze alerts with a single tap, and a double tap lets you add new traps to the shared map. It's GPS and Bluetooth enabled, so you can pair it with your phone for extra notifications. But keep in mind, some users report it doesn't catch every trap or can warn a little late, and pairing issues can happen. Number 19. Caraide Smart Jump Starter. Car owners, this little gadget is a lifesaver. It can jumpstart your car with its 1000 amp peak power and charge your devices with its battery. But the best part, in an emergency, it can cut seat belts, smash windows, and scare off anyone with its super loud alarm. It also has a bright flashlight and SOS light. It's compact and magnetic. You can stash it in your cup holder, glove box, or on the car door, always ready when you need it. Number 18. Smario solar-powered automatic sunshade. This one is the world's first sunshade robot for cars, developed by Smario Technologies. It features an aluminum frame that attaches inside your windshield and comes with a retractable shade plus smart sensors. The system detects when your car stops, like at traffic lights, and unfolds the shade automatically. No charging needed. It runs on a solar battery. Number 17. Car Power Inverter. This 200-watt car power inverter turns your cigarette lighter into a mini powerhouse. With dual 110-volt AC outlets and 4 USB ports, you can charge laptops, tablets, phones, and even game consoles all at once. The LCD screen displays voltage, while the smart cooling fan keeps it safe under load. It comes with protections against overcharging, short circuits, and overheating. Number 16. Umbrella Car Tent. Save money on car washes and body repairs with this innovative car tent. It shields your vehicle from dirt, UV rays, and falling debris. Thanks to suction cups and clamps, installation takes just 30 seconds, and opening or closing with the remote takes only 8 seconds. Once folded, it's small enough to store inside your car. The tent also comes with safety straps. Some keep it secure in windy conditions, while others prevent theft. Which one of these would you try first? Comment below, I'd love to hear. Number 15. Permatex Windshield Repair Kit. It's a practical alternative to costly windshield replacements. This injection-type windshield repair kit is a fast, affordable way to fix minor chips and cracks up to 25 millimeters wide, usually in just 20 to 30 minutes. It helps prevent damage from spreading and restores your glass close to its original condition. The kit comes with everything you need: precise resin application tools, a vacuum function to remove air, UV curing materials, and clear instructions. Number 14. Solar-powered ventilation system. This smart system can seriously improve the air inside your car. The solar-powered cross-ventilation setup brings in 100% fresh air with no recirculation. It's efficient enough to fully replace the air inside the car every 2 to 3 minutes. The setup uses 2 modules, an inlet and an outlet, that work together to keep fresh air constantly moving through the cabin. It won't replace your air conditioner or actually cool the air, but it does help maintain better air quality and slows down heat buildup. Number 13. Auto-rotating car brush. If you're after a top-notch car cleaning tool, this brush set is worth checking out. This professional-grade rotating foam spray brush makes cleaning simple and easy. Its dual-layer head has soft microfiber inside for gentle cleaning and durable polypropylene outside to protect your paint. The blue brush rotates 360 degrees to reach every corner, and it features 3 hydraulic levels plus a 5-mode shower head, from a fine mist to a strong spray. It's great not just for vehicles, but also for floors, windows, and fences, making it a truly all-around cleaning tool. Number 12. Wheel protection ring. These wheel protectors keep your rims safe from scratches and chips. M&TUV certified for quality. They come in 15 colors to match your car or add a pop of style. Each kit includes 4 rim protectors, 6 stainless steel clips with super glue, special gates for a perfect fit, and clear instructions. Protect your wheels and look good doing it. Number 11. 70 made dual dash cam. This isn't an average dash cam. It's the world's first DVR with a true 360-degree view and 0 blind spots. It has a unique 2-phase stepper motor that lets the camera rotate smoothly 340 degrees with a 140-degree viewing angle, capturing distortion-free footage. It records in full HD 1080p at 60 frames per second, keeping videos smooth and clear even in fast motion. With HDR and a super fast lens, it captures crisp footage even in tunnels or at night. It also features collision detection. If there's an impact, the camera automatically turns toward the right side and records a 30-second clip, including 5 seconds before and 10 seconds after the crash, thanks to buffer recording. Number 10. Tyre Solar Tire Pressure Monitoring System. This set helps you monitor your car's tire pressure and temperature in real time. It includes 4 sensors and a monitor that's easy to install on your windshield. Designed for dusty conditions like South Africa, the monitor features a solar panel and can also charge via USB. The battery-powered sensors attach with a special wrench included in the kit. You'll get customizable alerts for high or low pressure and temperature limits displayed as an easy-to-read diagram, and you can switch the measurement units to your preference. Number 9. LED floor mats. Have you ever stepped into a car and feel the vibe before the engine even starts? That's exactly what these LED floor mat lights do. They can turn your ride into a full-on aesthetic upgrade, which as you can see looks absolutely cool. You can control everything from your phone. Colors, patterns, brightness, even the flash speed. It's waterproof, durable, and ridiculously easy to install. Number 8. Car door cup holder. Ever run out of cup holders on a road trip? This clever car door cup holder fixes that in seconds by adding an extra spot right on your door. It slides in easily with no tools and no hassle. Holds everything from coffee cups to water bottles and juice boxes and keeps drinks steady even on rough roads. It also doubles as a handy coin organizer, so your quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies are always within reach. Number 7. GPS Speedometer. This isn't your regular car gadget, it's a pilot-style dashboard upgrade. The GPS digital speedometer tracks everything: speed, altitude, compass, and even pitch and roll angles, all right in front of you. Using GPS plus BDS dual satellite systems, it delivers ultra-precise readings even in remote areas. Its 6.8-inch screen auto-dims for day or night driving, and you can choose from 8 ambient colors to match your vibe. Number 6. LED road flares. A modern twist on traditional road flares with this reusable signal stick set. Each kit comes with 2 sticks stored in a protective case. They're easy to mount in seconds and stand out with bright colors by day and an intense glow at night. Thanks to flashing LEDs and reflective surfaces, they're visible up to a mile. Unlike regular flares that burn for only 15 minutes, these are reusable and hold their charge for a long time. The set costs around $20. Number 5. iLIKE Ice Car Cushion. Consumer Reports found that even a light-colored car can heat up to 40 degrees Celsius within an hour in 25 degrees Celsius weather. Cooling pads solved that problem in just 30 seconds, using a mix of water and a Peltier cooler, the same tech used in smartphones. The 400 milliliters water tank pumps water through the system using power from your car's cigarette lighter, and it runs quietly at about 48 decibels, similar to a computer or air conditioner, keeping your seats pleasantly cool on hot days. Number 4. 4. Tire traction chain. Winter driving can be tough, but these SUV tire chains make it a lot safer. They give your wheels extra traction on ice and snow without any special tools. Just position the chain using the illustrated instructions. The self-tightening ratchets automatically adjust to the tire for a smooth, quiet ride. While you'll need to stick to a lower speed, the chains work on cars, trucks, and SUVs, and the included snow socks make driving even smoother, so bad weather won't slow you down. Number 3. Rolling Folding Car Creeper. This clever stool transforms into a wheeled creeper, supporting up to 136 kilograms. It has a thick padded headrest and a heavy-duty tubular steel frame that can last long. Non-marring polyurethane swivel caster wheels make moving around effortless. The unique design lets it switch from a rolling creeper to a seat in seconds, and the bottom doubles as a tray for tools and supplies, providing comfort and convenience on the job. Number 2. Hyperion Lift-Assist. You don't need bulky, complicated gear to lift a car or even a truck. This electric hydraulic jack keeps things simple. It's enough to store in your trunk without taking up space, yet powerful enough to lift vehicles up to 3 tons. You can power it from a regular outlet or plug it into your car's cigarette lighter, and the long cord makes it easy to place under either the wheel. Just position it, press a button, and it does the work for you. It lifts from 15 to 44 centimeters and even has a built-in LED light to help you see what you're doing at night. Number 1. RYOBI Water Broom. Clean better and faster with this water broom. This time-saving attachment connects to your pressure washer wand, turning your washer into an efficient surface cleaning machine. I guess this attachment is a must-have for anyone who wants to spend less time cleaning. 2-position pivot for user convenience. 3 high-pressure nozzles on the broom. Its pressure is enough to clean stubborn mud. So that's all for now. Ever use something like this? Drop a comment. I'm curious what works for you. You'll find all the amazing stuff and much more here, so subscribe now. You won't regret it. Thank you for watching.